Today, I've got some tenderloins from the 4-6's Ranch. That's right, guys. It is beef tenderloin poppers. They're going to be great, so stick around and see how I make these fantastic beef tenderloin poppers from the 4-6's Ranch. I am Chef Johnny. This is Texas-style barbecue and cuisine, and these are some prime beef tenderloins that I just got in from the 4-6's Ranch. And guys, we're going to slice these up, put them on top of some jalapeno poppers, and they are going to be tremendous. And I bet you like this recipe, and when you have some friends over you want to impress and you're going to make poppers, use some beef tenderloin to do it with. So come in here close. Let me show you how we get these put together. We've got a good sharp knife here, and one thing we want to do is try to cut straight through the stem. That way it gives us something on the end that we can hold our cheese in with. So let's cut all of these. I think the best way to clean these out is just take a regular spoon. Guys, we're going to go right there and kind of cut through that stem and then just scrape. Let's see if we can do this. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Let's get all these done and we'll go to our next step. Just going to fill these up with cream cheese, guys. If you let it sit out for a little bit, it will soften up on you. This isn't real soft because I don't want to bring it out because it's 107 today in Texas, so I didn't want it to melt too quick. And we'll get back with you as soon as I get all these stuff. So you can see we got the black label. That is their prime certified very tender. So these should be very good in these poppers. Look at that tenderloin right there. These are 5-ounce tenderloins, guys. Would you look at that? Man, oh man, oh man. Just take my knife here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut those in half. Cut that in half. Okay. Man, gonna be nice. Take that little piece off right there. Do it again. It's going to give us enough for every one of our poppers to have tenderloin. Littler pieces we'll put on the smaller ones, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Perfect. Now that these are filled, we're going to cover them with a little cow cover. If you don't want to use cow cover, get your favorite barbecue rub. But we're going to layer flavors, guys. This is our first step in layering our flavors. There we go. Let's set these aside. Out here. That looks like one of the bigger ones, so put it right there. See if we can start getting tenderloin on each one of these poppers. If I come across a big piece, we'll put it on one of those bigger peppers. Now, if you had a little tougher piece of meat, what you could do is pound this out first, right? These prime tenderloin pieces are not going to need to be pounded out, though. I can promise you that. I do like to use thin sliced bacon when I do poppers, so it's on here. Take it, just wrap it around. That's not a beautiful piece of bacon, but it's going to make a nice popper. So right there, we're going to make 16 of those. I've got these made up, give you a quick peek of those. But what we need to do is I am actually have shorts, I have some reels, I have some TikToks, a lot of short form videos that these are in a contest. So links will be below. Go over there, vote for Texas style cuisine. It's for the Texas Beef Council. That's why we're showing off this beef tenderloin today. Watch the rest of the video and remember to go vote, vote, vote. Get all your friends and family to vote also. I need those votes. Thanks a lot. All of our jalapenos are wrapped with our tenderloin inside, so we're going to give them another coating of cow cover. Again, guys, layering flavors. Been preheating our barbecue pit. It should be about 275. Ready to get these on there. Let's get our poppers on here. Guys, we're looking at about 30 minutes. We're gonna crisp up this bacon and cook that tenderloin through. Maybe about 30 minutes. We'll get back with you as soon as they're ready to get off of here. Right now, they're looking good. All right, let's get these. They're about done. We're gonna see if we can move them over here. Get them into our nice little Texas-shaped holder. Well, guys, we got our poppers off. Have them in a dish. Actually, it was my mom's. We were going through some stuff the other day and found it, and so kind of special. It's supposed to be collectible. My wife told me it was. It says Frankoma on the bottom, so I guess that's a collectible pottery dish that's my mom's, and to me, that's what's important. But anyways, these are looking pretty. I'm gonna slice one open for you so you can kind of see what they look like on the inside. Let's get one of these and cut it. I got a little ranch dressing in there, but that is pretty. Y'all will be able to see that up close. Find one of these bigger ones here. We can open it up. I do think that's a beautiful presentation, putting it in this plate. And it was 16 of them was just the right size, but that tenderloin's looking good. The jalapenos, I bet you they're gonna be hot. Because like I said, they came out of my garden. They're not store-bought. And the cow cover is gonna be tremendous on them also to add that next dimension of flavor. But let's give these a try. Oh yeah. Let me tell you, that tenderloin inside of a popper, one thing I say about that is I wish I would have thought of that sooner, because that is good. I'll tell you what, a few of those would make a meal, without a doubt. I'm gonna grab this big one down here. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna dip it in this ranch dressing. Not something I usually do, but a nice little addition for somebody that wants something to cut the heat a little bit. That ranch dressing will do it, so I'm gonna give it a try. And remember I told you about the handles? If you cut the stem in half, always good to have a handle on something. That's top shelf, guys. Well, there you have it. Another great dish coming from the 4-6's Ranch. Those tenderloins were tremendous, tremendous, guys. And remember, want to impress somebody, want to up the level of your appetizers, still have jalapeno poppers, but elevate the meal, put a little beef tenderloin in there. These from 4-6's did great. I'm liking it. And guys, 2 5-ounce fillets, half a dozen jalapenos, 16 slices of bacon, and 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a little cow cover. That's all it takes to make a great, great meal. But thanks for stopping by Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. Always do appreciate it. Hey, remember to share us on your social media, share us with your friends and family, and we'll see you all down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.